Hallo, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have a fun springtime die cut collection for you. So let's get started. So here is this brand new die cut collection and it's by Paper Tree and it's called Springtime Party. It's made in the UK and it just came in on time. And this is springtime, not just Easter. So this will carry you throughout springtime. And I can see beautiful Mother's Day cards with this one as well. So really quick, I opened one of the packs and I want to show you some of these 16 sheets. They are in there twice. And each sheet has several embellishments. So here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, it's over probably almost 150 die cut pieces. And you can see how fast it came out. I just touched it and whoops, there it's out, right? Look at this. It has beautiful spring colors, but blush, you know. I mean, yeah, this red is prominent, but then the blues and the pinks, they are a little blush. You have, of course, some sentiments, and then this cute artwork here. Looks like watercolors. So pretty. I saw it and I thought, yeah, that might be fun to craft with. Yeah, look at these. And they all come out. Now, again, this is a kit you can probably share with your friends, have a craft party, a spring craft party, because there are so many embellishments that you can surely share with another person and then work your cards. Here are even frames and corners. Really nice. So yeah, these are the 8 sheets and they're in there twice. So now let's see what I have created. So let's check it out. So first, of course, I made a couple of cards, and here that's where you can see what I meant with Mother's Day cards. Look at this. Special someone is in there, and I have combined it with papers from my favorite things, and you've seen these before on my channel. These are the gingham papers, one with a buffalo check and then here the petite gingham, and I think they worked really well with this pack, and I will link them below. But then I used my die and I cut out 2 doilies. This, of course, is a round embellishment, so that gave me the guidance. And then I dressed it up a little bit more with some of our easy 3D toppers. And here I have used the spring flowers. And I just added a couple of, this is just one embellishment. I added these blossoms here to my card, and I used some foam pads to bring them up. Now here in these easy 3D topper packs, you have 10 toppers in there. Each topper has 3 steps, so you can add foam pads and make them dimensional, and they're all packaged in individual bags. So I added a little bit of stickles. This die cut pack is not glittered, and a couple of pearls, and that's it. And isn't this a cute card? I really like this artwork. Now here is another card, and this is indeed a happy Easter card. So you can see the buffalo check. How nice does that look now? Again, I used one of these embellishments from the spring flowers, this beautiful blossom. And I didn't use all 3 embellishments on top of each other, but I used 1, 2, and then the third one up here. So you can stretch out these embellishments. And the Happy Easter is a sticker that I have in sticker packs. There are 5 sticker sheets in there in different colors. So beautiful in those spring colors, just right for your Easter card making. Okay, then here is my next card, and again you can see this blue buffalo check. And what I did here, really simple. I just added a piece of this card paper, then just a little strip that I had left, really just a scrap. I added this sentiment, sending you love, and this comes in the die cut pack. Here, of course, is this beautiful bunny sitting in a cup. Added some stickles, and then here I had just a couple of extra embellishments left. An Easter egg. I had this butterfly in my stash, and this little one is actually from the packaging. I fuzzy cut around this one here. You can see all 10 are on the package. So by fuzzy cutting the packaging, this packaging layer, you have another embellishment, and that's exactly what I used here, and just a little bit of glitter. And then here, one of these beautiful doilies that I have now in my shop, and I will link them below. And then here, look at this. So you can see how these paper packs work really well. So I combined both the buffalo and the petite gingham. And here we have the seafoam green with this beautiful cup of flowers. Happy Easter. I made this little banner. This, of course, is a sticker. Couple flowers from my stash. Little bit of bling. And then this cute little Easter bunny that comes to you also from our friends at Hardy Crafts. And I already made cards with it this spring. It's called the Cute Bunnies. And they are indeed very cute. You got 10 of them in here. Look at them. And I will link the video below where you can see more of the cards I made with this die cut pack. So there are 10 in there, and I've almost used them all. But here is this fun guy. And yeah, isn't this a beautiful spring card? I have to say, this year my spring cards, they all look different because of the so many different articles that are out there. But anyway, these are my cards, but there is more. Then I made a little mini album. And new to me, I don't have that in my shop, but it is out there on Amazon, is the Mini Cinch. And this is by VR Memory Keepers. And it makes these beautiful ringed albums, right? So I'm going to link this below. This was my very first project. I never owned a cinch, so I didn't know how to work it. And I think it was pretty intuitive, and I kind of got the hang of it rather quickly. You punch these holes, and then of course you cinch in these rings. And I made this little album, so I'm going to do a quick flip through because I made it with these beautiful die cuts. And I think we're going to start right here. So let's see if we can maybe go out a little bit so you see the whole thing. So what I did is I glued some paper to cardstock because I did want to have sturdy pages, and then I embellished them with these beautiful die cuts. And yeah, this is a mini album. I'm not quite sure yet what I'm going to do with it. Maybe put some pictures in there. Made a little envelope here. This is another thing that you can do with these die cuts. You can put faux stitching around them. That's what I did here with just a black pen. Give it a little interest. Added some vellum. And then, yeah, here it is. Here I have a little corner tuck where I added this. This could be also, you can write like a journaling card. You can use it. So maybe that's what I use it for. I use it as a spring journaling book. We'll see. So here we go. Made a little pocket here to the side. yeah, I had fun making this. So it's not 100% perfect, but I think for a first try, it came out pretty good. Here is another pocket, and again, I used one of these die cuts as a journaling card. And what you can do is use up, you know, vellum paper or other paper that you have and make a pretty album. This also would make probably a good gift. Another side pocket. Here I added some stems. Yeah, I think I had it, I thought maybe I give it to my sister. So like I said, I haven't decided yet. I think I'll make another one. I don't think that this is perfect enough to give it away yet, but that's what I had in mind. You can, you know, put little gifts in there. And then here we go, and more room. Another little side tuck. That's what I did again here too. Kind of full stitched around it. Look how cute this is, this guy here hanging on the balloons. Really, really fun. And again, a little corner from one of these corners that come in the pack. Let's see if I have this, so this can actually go around here. Made a little envelope. Very satisfying to use up all your materials and create something beautiful. So great for 6x6 papers. This album actually is, let's see, 5.5 inches. So you have to kind of go by 1/2 inches, I think, with this cinch, with this mini cinch. And here I made a pocket. Oh, this, by the way, these are these doilies that I have in my shop. So again, that might be something I give to my sister. And then here is the back. And what I used here is actually the packaging. So this is the packaging that I used for my back panel. So here it is, the springtime party by the paper tree. And a party it is indeed. Look at these beautiful colors, and I love these die cuts. I had a lot of fun creating the cards, making this mini album. I just love the die cuts, and I know you will too. They're very versatile, and there are plenty. So if you like these cards and my mini album, I would appreciate a thumbs up. And then also leave me a comment if you can. Let me know if you have worked with the mini cinch or the cinch before. And maybe what else can we do other than albums? Now where I have the tool, of course, I want to use it. And I will be on the lookout too for new projects to share with you. But if you can share this video with your crafty friends and family, that would really help me out, and I would love that. Until then, please stay or get well, happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.